Okay, so here we have example 1 for Math 7, notes for 7-4, area and perimeter. So we talked about the fact that this is a trapezoid here, looking at this diagram, because it only has one set of parallel sides, not a parallelogram where a parallelogram has two sets of parallel sides. So difference being here that we have bases that are two different lengths. We have a base up top that is 36 feet, and then we have a longer base on the bottom that are 60 feet. So that's why we have to take the average of those two bases since they're different. Okay, so starting first with the area, always rewriting the formula I'm using first because then it prevents me from making mistakes and it gets me partial credit if I do make mistakes. And that 1/2 can very easily convert to the 0.5 if you prefer it. Does not matter if you put the 60 or 36 first, and that's because of that commutative property. 60 times 36 or 60 plus 36 is the same thing as 36 plus 60. So then making sure that when you're taking the height that you're getting that straight up and down height and you're not looking at the slant height. That 12 feet is the height that we want to be using here. Making sure that you're following order of operations and starting with inside of your groupings first gives us 96. 96 divided by 2 or times 1/2 because those two things are the same. Sorry, gives us 48. And then 48 times 12 gives us an area of 576 feet squared. Okay, so that's our area. Up next, we are going to look at our perimeter. Perimeter, remembering that we're doing all of those outside pieces. So the 18 plus the 36 plus the 22 this time, plus the 60. And you might be wondering, do I need to add that 12 into there? It's part of that diagram, true. But remember, perimeter is outsides only, so that 12 does not get added in because that's on the inside. So 18 plus 36 is 54. 54 plus 82 is a perimeter of 136 feet. Boom. And there's example 1. So just make sure you're looking up the formulas before you jump right in.